Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm Premium box. You guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are? Well then definitely keep on watching. I literally just did a Boxycharm video yesterday. Too bad I didn't wait because I would have loved to have included the premium in the unboxing, but it came separately. It is what it is. Actually, I generally wasn't going to film today because, well, there's a hurricane or a tropical storm Eta over Florida right now, and the weather is just so shitty. Non-stop rain. So it's like one of those days you just want to cuddle up on the couch and like drink like a hot cocoa or hot tea or coffee and just binge watch like Gossip Girl, Grey's Anatomy. Like, well, at least that's what I want to do. I just want to cuddle with Corey, but he's working right now. But yeah, I originally wasn't going to film, but then they showed up on my doorstep and I got something else. So I was like, well, I might throw on bare minimal makeup and we're just gonna film. We're just gonna shoot this shit together. So with that said, if you guys don't know, Boxypremium is $35 a month by itself, or if you want to add this onto your Boxycharm Base box, then it's an additional $35 plus your $25, making it $60 a month. You do get 6 to 8 full-size items in here with like a retail value of $200 plus. You do get to customize this box just a little bit more than you get to customize your base box, just kind of like the same as like Boxy Luxe. And yeah, I literally have no idea what is in this box. All I know is that in yesterday's video, I literally got 3 of the same products. So if you guys didn't see, last week I unboxed my Ipsy PR versus my Boxycharm PR, and I got some really good items in that PR box. Then by accident, Boxycharm sent me another PR box, and I got my base box yesterday, and legit, they were the exact same boxes. So I got 3 Natasha Donut palettes. You guys already know 2 of those are going into a giveaway, which by the way, my No Waste Wednesday does end tonight. And my Jeffree Star ends tomorrow. So make sure you guys go check out those giveaways. They'll be linked down below. I feel like I look so pale. I'm barely wearing any makeup. I'm wearing just foundation, a little bit of bronzer and blush, and some lip product and mascara. That is it. That's literally all I'm wearing on my face because it's a lazy day. So, all right, first things first. So the first thing I see is this cute little card. I actually think this card is absolutely freaking adorable. And the first thing that's sitting here is this bad boy right here, which is a Pure Cosmetics product. This is the 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powder Face Palette. It says Dark Deep. So it says this 4-in-1 palette features a stunning mix of bronzers, highlighter, blush, translucent setting powder arranged in a travel-friendly palette designed to help you sculpt and highlight the perfect look. Accentuate your best features and bring out the best with this exclusive collection. Retails for $32. This is a new launch, but it says Dark Deep. I don't think this is meant for my skin tone. I was just talking to Mikey yesterday and he sent me a picture of one of his products and it was this palette, and he said he got one meant for a deep skin tone as well. So I don't think this is meant for me. Yeah, no, this is definitely not meant for me. Now, granted, I could use this as like some eyeshadows. I really could use this as an eyeshadow, but I really don't want to waste the products because right here you have the translucent setting powder that is definitely way too deep for me. You have the bronzer way too deep, a deep blush, and a gorgeous, gorgeous highlighter. Definitely not meant for my skin tone. Unfortunately, I'll go ahead and put this into my No Waste Wednesday. I did see some comments of people talking about they're not getting the right palette for their skin tone. I don't know if wow. I don't know if Boxycharm is actually paying attention to people's skin tones and the surveys that they fill out, because this isn't the first time that I'm seeing this. And if you're gonna give away a product that is meant for a certain skin tone, you really should make sure it goes to the right person, because I would hate for somebody that has a beautiful deep complexion to get something that's meant for a light complexion, because then the product just goes to waste. So this is gonna go ahead and go to my No Waste Wednesday. I do think it's cool they put it in here. I just honestly, I wouldn't be able to use it. So yeah, there's that. All right, next we got Grown Alchemist. This is a detox night cream. So this advanced detoxing night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides, enchincia, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acid. They detox and regenerate the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in radiant and youthful looking skin. Retails $125. The fuck? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That just you know, I'm gonna be honest. Though I appreciate getting a like luxurious item, at the same time, I'm like, damn, why would you like tease us like that? Because once this runs out, I'm never gonna go and spend $125 on a detox night cream. Like, I'm not born of money. I'm not rich. Like, I can't afford this product on like a monthly basis whenever I run out. So it's cool, but like at the same time, like you're just teasing. Oh, you're teasing us with this tiny little bottle of detox night cream. Very interesting. You apply after cleansing, and you apply after cleansing and application of targeted serums with smooth upward outward motion. So, alrighty. I guess they think we're full of money over here. Interesting, and it's such a big box for such a tiny component. Okay. All right. Next, we got. What is this? What are you? This is a cosmetics skincare brush set. Take cleansing to the next level with this embossed brush designed for gentle exfoliation and effective deep pore cleansing. Plus, bring the spa experience home with a dual-sided silicone spatula that effortlessly and evenly distributes product across your face. Use it to apply cream, exfoliator, serum, mask with a multi-precision and no mess. Retails for $25. They have a brush for skincare. I have a Luna Mini 3. I actually really do enjoy that applicator. Oh, this is like so weird. Yo, my hair. I literally just got out of the shower before I started filming and threw my hair up. So if it's like looking all crazy and messed up, well, it's a lazy day. This is actually very, very unique. It's actually really soft. Getting those fine lines. I just want to play with it. It's so soft. It's like very soothing, actually. ASMR moment. Dude, these bristles are so soft. I really don't know how they're going to get into like the nitty gritty of the pores. I'd like to see this. So I'm definitely going to give this a try because it's a very, very interesting, you know, concept. And then you have this spatula brush right here. Ooh. I wonder if I could take the back side of this and put this like frosting on my cupcakes if whenever my spatula gets dirty. I wonder if I could just use this in its place. Very interesting. I didn't know they had a brush set. That's intriguing. Okay. Interesting. All right, next we have, ooh, it's from Smashbox. It's a Smashbox Photo Finish Fresh Setting Powder. A weightless setting powder featuring a built-in powderizer that grinds the finest, freshest powder to set makeup, mattify, shine, and blur skin. One twist grinds pressed powder into a light, diffuse micro powder, creating just enough for a smooth, even layer with less mess. Retails for $39. I am intrigued. This looks like a camera lens. Oh, we gotta try this out. Okay, so it's like a little tape. Oh. Okay, so twist for press. Ooh. Ooh. I mean, I'm putting powder on top of powder, so I'm a little cakey. I'm really gonna have to give this product a go. It says that it's supposed to mattify, shine. We will see about that because I swear to God, I'm the queen of oily skin. I swear I run like the CEO of the corporation, and I'm really sorry if anyone out there suffers the same way that I do. I'm just like I'm the queen of the itty bitty titty committee. So we're definitely gonna give this product a try to see how well it works. I think it's a cool concept that you just twist the powder out and then you can put it on. I mean, so far, just by applying it on top of my skin already, on top of powder skin, I can really tell how this is working. But that's a cool concept. Hopefully this works. I'm definitely going to give this a go quite a few times just to see if it contains the oil, if it mattifies to shine like it says it does. I'm not really the biggest fan of Smashbox, only for the fact that I have bought all the gimmicks. Like I fell into their gimmicks of buying all those, you know, oil control shiner primers. They're pure shit. They're garbage. They're a waste of money. So hopefully this works. If not, I mean, it is what it is. All right, next we got Real Her Lip Liner Duo. This, line your lips with ease. The creamy formulation is infused with jojoba. I got it. Jojoba seed oil and shea butter, providing a smooth application with a natural matte finish. Choose between our deep nude and the true red while preventing your favorite lipstick, matte or moisturizing, from bleeding or feathering. Retails for $25. So it's a lip liner duo. Why do you guys never want to come out of the box? Don't be shy. Come on out. Oh my God. Are you glued in there? Hello?
20 minutes later.
Okay. Was that so hard? All right, let's take a little liner. Oh, super pretty. I could always use more lip liner, so that's nice. I like that one. All right, last but not least, we have something that's literally wrapped like this. It is a single dose of color. What are you? This is a Dose of Colors Block Party Single Eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is packed with multi-dimensional reflex, creating an ultra dazzling finish. Each eyeshadow comes with its own mirrored compact, retails for $20. I'm sorry, I would never in a million years pay $20 for a single eyeshadow. I don't care if it's compact or not. That is ridiculous. This is in the shade Jackpot. It's cute packaging. Won't lie, I love that reflect. And then you open it up. Okay, bitch, though. That is a really pretty color. Bitch. That's a pretty color. Oh, bitch. Oh, okay. But look at that shine, though. Definitely multidimensional. Definitely. Very, very beautiful. It's like, oh, God, that is a gorgeous shade. Now, even though this shade is absolutely beautiful, and I really do like Dose of Colors formula, I'd still never pay $20 for a single eyeshadow. Like, I could just buy their palette at that price point. That's a little ridiculous for me. It's beautiful, but definitely not worth the price point. All right, so I got 6 items, and the retail of my box, only with the makeup products and the brush, not including the skincare, is $141. Now, if I add the $125 for that skincare products, then it brings it to $266 is the retail value of this box. What are my thoughts on this box? It's pure shit. I do not care for this box. You think I'd be excited about it. Like, you genuinely would think I'd be excited because it's all makeup. And granted, I love getting all makeup. Don't get me wrong. I just find the items to be not as exciting. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just being too picky. I'm not entirely sure. But I am excited about the 2 lip liners. I do think these are definitely worth the value of the product. Like, you are paying $25 for 2 lip liners. Really not a bad deal, especially since a lot of lip liners, high ends, are about $20 a piece anyway, or $16 to $20 a piece anyway. I would never in a million years pay $20 for a single eyeshadow, whether it's in a compact or not. That is just a little bit insane. I'm going to be looking forward to seeing how this works out. But other than that, I'm not excited about anything else. I don't find the brushes to be that exciting. I mean, I don't. The night detox product, it's a cool idea, but I feel like that's how they get away with saying their box has so much value, because they'll put like a really expensive skincare item in here. Why not put like a really expensive palette in here? Like, why not put like a $125 Natasha Denona palette in here, or a Pat McGrath palette in here? Like, why not put like an actual like legit makeup item that we all know is luxurious and high end in here for the same price point, instead of putting like a really unrealistic skincare product that people are probably going to only ever use once, and once it runs out, that's it. I don't really see most people investing into a $125 night cream. It's just a little unfeasible for at least me. Can't afford that. So, and unfortunately, with the Pure Cosmetics being in a shade range that I unfortunately cannot use, like I said, I can utilize it for eyeshadow. That'd be beautiful. It's supposed to be utilized as a 4-in-1 face palette, and unfortunately they did send me the wrong shade, and it just makes me wonder like who else got like all the wrong shades as well. And it just kind of makes the box feel like it's impersonal, and they're just kind of throwing items in and not actually paying attention to your survey, which I would not be surprised about. But I will be adding that into a no waste Wednesday. That way someone could actually get a use out of it. Hopefully. I don't know, for some reason, I guess I found their $25 box to be more exciting than their $35 box. And typically I never say that. Typically when anyone ever asks me, Allie, out of all the subscription boxes, which one do you recommend? I only say Boxypremium, because every month Boxypremium has been my favorite. It has been absolutely amazing to have. And this is the first time in a long time that I genuinely have been like, It's all right. Like, I know, and it's so crazy I'm saying that, but like, I guess this is like my turn off. Like, this is my turn off. Like, this is what you threw in here. Like, you couldn't have thrown in something like this or something like this that's like legit worth it to me because it's a full palette. Why not throw this in there? Why did you throw in a single shade for $20? I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me. So I definitely find this box to be a little disappointing, but it is what it is. Can't do anything about it now. So yeah, that was my Boxycharm box. Hopefully you guys got your box, and if you did, I really hope you guys love your box. This one just wasn't for me, and that's okay because there's always next month, and next month could be even better than this one. So that's what matters. But yeah, that is my quick unboxing of the Boxycharm Premium box. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you guys did, please make sure you guys give it a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every day or every other day, just depending. Don't forget to check down below for my don't forget to check down below to enter my No Waste Wednesday if you guys have not already. It does close tonight at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'll be messaging the person first thing in the morning to send the package out tomorrow. And yeah, don't forget to head over to my other channel. It's called R for Life, that you guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures of amazing fiance Corey. And as always, guys, I just want to thank you guys for all your love support. I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye. To gently exfoliate and deeply for gentle exfoliation, and if I can't read, it says take cleansing to the next level with this embossed brush designed to gently. I just want to say that I love you guys. If you guys have not checked out, I do have another channel. It's called I'm not really the biggest fan of smashbacks. Don't forget to head over to my other channels, R for Life, that you guys don't forget to head. If you guys didn't see last week, I unboxed my Boxycharm PR versus my Boxycharm. If you didn't see last week, so if you guys didn't see last month,